The headlines are everywhere. Stock market hits record highs. On Wall Street, people celebrate. Green arrows flash across the news. But at the same time, many families are asking, if the market is doing so well, why can't people find good jobs? Today, let's explore why a rising stock market doesn't always help everyday workers. So what does it mean when the stock market is at a record high? Stocks are shares of big companies. When their prices go up, investors feel confident about profits and the future. On paper, trillions of dollars are created. Retirement accounts grow, and wealthy investors get even richer. But here's the big question. Does that wealth spread to everyone? Here's the problem. Stock prices often rise for reasons that don't create jobs. Companies boost profits by laying off workers, outsourcing, or using robots instead of people. Many firms use money to buy their own stock, raising prices instead of paying workers more. Automation makes businesses efficient, but fewer workers are needed. Companies move jobs overseas to save money. And a few mega corporations dominate the market, but they don't hire as many people as many smaller companies would. Result? Investors win, but many workers lose. Most Americans own little or no stock. In fact, the richest 10% of households own nearly 90% of all shares. People with 401ks or IRAs can benefit, but only if they earn enough to save. Millions of gig workers, young adults, and low-income families don't see any of these gains. When markets rise, wealth gaps grow wider.
The news says the economy is booming, but I can't find a single job that lasts.
I'm juggling 3 part-time jobs with no benefits. Everyone says things are great, but it doesn't feel that way.
My company's stock doubled after they outsourced my job overseas. I'm stuck with temp work just to pay rent.
Behind the numbers, many people are still struggling. Is there hope? Yes, but it takes effort. We can invest in people by sharing profits through fair wages, training, and benefits. We can support small businesses that create jobs and strengthen communities. We can modernize education to teach skills for a tech-driven future. And we can rethink incentives, rewarding companies for hiring, not just buying back stocks. A record-high market looks like success. But unless we share the benefits, only a few will celebrate. We need to ask, who really gains? And how can we make growth work for everyone? Thanks for watching The Hidden Cost of a High Stock Market. Share this video if it connects with you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.